Hello everyone, I'm from Nanjing Linlubao. Today, I'm going to introduce you to our Nanjing 0 degree LDY1 high-end all-in-one machine. A laminating machine that you can use right after plugging it in. Let's see the laminating effect on the large curved and flat screens. First, we'll press this curved one. Using the P40 Pro for laminating, place it in the laminator. Increase pressure to 0.7. Start with one button. Place it in the laminator. Increase pressure for curves to 0.7. Start with one button. Auto bubble removal post-lamination. Let's begin with just one button. Start with one button. Bubbles auto remove. Vacuum. 50s. Cut. 30s. At. We set the vacuum time to 50 seconds. The cut-in time to 30 seconds. And the cut-in pressure to 0.45 MPa. Temperature is 50 degrees. Bubble removal takes 5 minutes at 0.7 MPa. Leave it in the laminating machine for 5 to 6 minutes. It will be a bubble-free screen. This machine allows single laminating, single bubble removal, or automatic laminating and bubble removal with one button start. Now it has started to fit. With this machine we can do laminating and bubble removal. It handles all screen types. The noise is minimal. Max pressure 0.75 MPa. It can handle flat screens, small curved screens, large curved screens, and even V4 curved screens. Right now, we might notice that the noise is relatively loud, especially during the bubble removal and pressurizing process. But if we listen closely, the noise isn't actually that loud. Our maximum bubble removal pressure can reach 0.75 MPa. Alright, now it's time for the host to check the bubble removal effect. In this corner, there are no bubbles at all. There are no bubbles on this corner either. There are no bubbles in this corner either. It's a bit reflective. This angle shows it quite clearly. Look, there are no bubbles at all. Howdy Pete. Next, let's laminate this Apple flat screen because I can see that the bubbles are about to close up. Let's do this one first, since it's a bit quicker. Let's go ahead and select the flat screen. One button start. Just select the flat screen, and then you can start it with one button. Let's open the hatch. Let's take a look at our flat screen. The laminating effect. It's coming along very well. Let's put this big one in. Mate 30 Pro. Let's put this Mate 30 Pro in and see how it turns out. Let's choose our big curve, and then select one button start. Let's take a look at how the overall effect is. It's really amazing. There are no bubbles at all. There are none on this foot either. This one doesn't have. Wow, it's just that impressive.